What up guys, today's video we're going to be talking about the CAKECORE V1 NFT. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can mint your own NFT on the CAKECORE application, and also how you can withdraw it, send the NFT directly into your Metamask wallet. So if you're interested in knowing how this works, make sure you stick to this video till the end. Alright, so if you are not yet on this application where we are earning free airdrop called CAKECORE, there's a link in the description of this video. You can go ahead, go down and click on it. Then you'll be able to sign up and have an account on this platform so you can start mining your free airdrop. I already did a video on how to mine on the CAKECORE application, and the video will be in the description of this video. Or you can also click on the top right corner of this video. It will pop up there. You can click on it right now, or you come back and click it to watch it later after watching this video. That's if you are really interested in this. So all right, quickly guys, I'm going to get into today's video, not to make this one long for us. So in order for you to be able to mint your NFT, as usual, is you have to click on the menu section of this application. But for us to be able to do that, we'll need to open this particular application in our Metamask wallet, because in order for us to mint, let me quickly show you what the page look like. Mint NFT. Okay, so for us to be able to mint the NFT, we need to have the total amount of 3 core on our balance. So guys, for you to be able to get the NFT, you need to have about 3 core. You can see the prices over here. You can see it is written here. So you need about 3 core to be able to make this happen. But guys, this is not a financial advice. Do your total research before going into anything. This is not a financial advice. I will just show you how it is done. This video is strictly educational and informational purposes only. So guys, you need to have 3 core on your balance, and you need to know that this project is actually built on the core blockchain. So these are the things you need to know right now. So for you to be able to make this happen, for you to be able to mint your NFT, because you need to connect your wallet. So the best thing to do is to open this application in your Metamask wallet dApp, where you'll be able to make use of the browser. So let's quickly go to the Metamask wallet, and I'll be showing you step by step how things are done. All right. Okay, here we are in the Metamask wallet. I told you need to have some core on your balance, and I already have about 4 core on my balance right now, which I'll be using to mint this NFT. Now, in case you don't have core, you didn't mine core, and you want to get core, I made a video of how you can buy core on the OKX platform. So you can go to the description of this video. You can also check out the video of how to buy core from OKX. Then you send it to your Metamask wallet and do what you want to do with it. So the link is in the description of this video. Try and check it out. You're going to see all what you need in the description of this video. All right, now what I need to do right now from here is to click on browser, which is over here. Click on browser, and I'll wait for it to open. Actually, I already opened the app on my Metamask wallet. So I'll just tell you how you can quickly do this to get this app here after signing up on the application, how you can make it happen in your Metamask wallet. Once you click on the browser section, it's gonna load. Okay, let me just wait for this to load. All right, it's going to load. Yours will not be this way, because mine I've already opened it once. That's why you can see this way. Yours, all you need to do is you will see something looking like this. You see a page looking like this if you've never used the browser. All right, you're going to see a page like this. Then you type in the search box over here. You click on it. Then you type in CAKECORE.io. And all you need to do now is to connect. You go enter. It's gonna open the page for you. All right, you can see now I have my application open in my Metamask wallet. it's already open. So now what I need to do in order for me to be able to mint this NFT right here is to click over here. Okay, then you click on mint NFT. Okay, that's cool. All right, the next thing you should do is to connect your wallet. Connect your wallet to see. Okay, let's click on connect wallet. Let me connect my wallet. All right, so my wallet is already connected. You can see my account is here, meaning my wallet is already connected. Here it is. All right, so the next thing for me to do now is to mint. Let's just click on mint. All right, click on mint and let this. Okay, all right, yes, I have to confirm this for them to take the 3 core which is needed for this for the minting of this NFT. So I have to accept it and confirm it. Okay, all right, it has been successful. I just minted my NFT. Now the next thing you should do is to pay attention to this this ID over here, token ID. This one, you need to pay attention to it. Mine is 473. Yours will come up anytime you mint your NFT. So that's my token ID for now. You need to know it. The next thing you need to do, you've already bought the NFT. Let's quickly check our wallet to be sure they took the 3 core. Okay, all right, now you can see I have just 1 core available on my balance. You can see it over here. All right, so now let's go back. Let's go back. Now we are going to bring this NFT down to our Metamask wallet. It's going to be in our wallet now. So the next thing for you to make that happen, what you need to do is to click on this contract address you can see over here. You have to click on it to be able to copy it, this one. So the best thing is to click on this copy logo. Let's just click on that. All right, I've clicked on it, and now my token ID is 473. So now let's go back to the wallet. Go back to our wallet. All right, now guys, if you are enjoying what I'm showing you right now, please give this video a thumbs up. This is something that is going to motivate me to keep doing more videos like this for you guys. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, subscribe, because I always bring you guys updates about cryptocurrencies and how to make some extra cash online. So okay, now once you get your wallet this way, the next thing you should do is to click on the NFTs. All right, I know most of you don't know how this thing works, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So once you click on the NFT, you scroll down, then you look for this import NFTs. That's the next thing you should click on. So let's click on that. We are going to be importing it right now. Okay, so now what we do here is to paste the address we copied. Okay, and the next thing we put here is to enter your token ID 473. That was it. So what we need to do now is just click on import, and you're going to get your NFT in your wallet. Let's go. Right, so after clicking on import, we are supposed to get our NFT right here in our Metamask wallet, but it's not coming up. I don't know, maybe it's because of or due to their roadmap. Let's quickly check the roadmap once more. I don't know if it's because of their roadmap says NFT minting is supposed to be around supposed to be around September or October. I can't really remember. Let's check that out right now. Check the roadmap. Okay. Now the roadmap, I think NFTs are okay, September right now. All right, it's in September, but I don't know if that's the case. It might not be the case, you know. It might be technical issues. So all we have to do is to chill out and see. But you can quickly see what you just minted as NFT by clicking on NFT mint NFT. Then you come over here, connect your wallet, the same wallet address you used in minting this. You click on mint, and voila, you can see it over here. You can see what you've already minted is already here. So anytime it will be allowed to be transferred to our wallet, I'll let you know definitely. So that's another good reason why you should join my Telegram group, where I always put, okay, let me show you, where I always post updates more frequently. I'm going to be posting it over here once I was able to receive my NFT in my Metamask wallet. I'll let you all know. So you need to join this group. The link is in the description of this video. Join and you can scroll through to see other updates. I have lots of updates here, and I post updates here more frequently every day, more often, so you can take your time to go through the updates, guys. The link is in the description of this video. So all right, so like as I was saying, this is a free mining application. So in case you are not yet on this CAKECORE application, go ahead, the link is in the description. Go ahead and join us and let's mine free token. So guys, that's all for this video. If you like what I just showed you, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates, and if you don't click on the notification bell sign, you won't be getting notified once I upload a brand new update. So please don't forget to click on the notification bell sign, guys. I see you again in the next video. Bye.